This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Form 2 teams and sit facing each other with 3 to 6 players per team. Choose a simple play area with clear space so gestures are visible and the guesser can focus on the mover. Decide a 60-second timer and play 3 rounds for short game or 5 rounds for longer play. Prepare a stack of prompts or use a phone app for words and categories. Include easy, medium, and hard lists. Give each team a score pad and one person to act as official timekeeper and moderator. The actor draws in the air using finger and whole arm gestures without touching anyone or using props. No speaking, mouthing words, or writing letters is allowed during the 60-second turn. Only nonverbal clues count. Use larger gestures for shapes, tracing 5 inches of imaginary size for scale if needed, and pantomime relative size like 1 hand span or 2 steps. Pointing is okay to indicate direction or location, and miming actions shows verbs. Rotate the actor each turn so everyone practices timing and clarity. Guesses within 60 seconds earn 1 point. Exact phrase bonus of 2 points applies for perfect wording and immediate recognition. Keep scores visible and announce totals after each round so teams adjust strategy and pacing. Tiebreaker round. 1 extra prompt with 30 seconds decides the winner quickly. For faster play, use a 45-second timer, or for accuracy, keep the 60-second rule. For team balance, swap categories each round and limit prompts to 10 per difficulty level. Tracking used prompts to avoid repeats and keep play fair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.